Hello everyone, I'm Roberto, engineer and an AI enthusiast. In today's video, I'm gonna just make a quick one to share that finally the ChatGPT 4.5 has been released also for the Plus users. You can find it in the menu, clicking to the menu here. You can see that you can find the GPT 4.5 menu, good for writing and explore ideas. This is the best model out there right now, together with the competitors Grok 3 and Claude 3.7 Sonnet. One very interesting thing is that for a few hours I could use in the O3 Mini High the Canva inside it. Seems like it was a mistake by them, and in fact, it's not available anymore. I can see after I refresh the page, and also I see here. No, this was already there. Also, I noticed that in the O1, I still can use the canvas, which I remember it was not possible before. And another thing I noticed is that I can't use anymore the deep research. I'm not sure if they removed it or if I exhausted the amount of requests per week, per day. I now have, I can use it again in 3 weeks apparently. I'm not sure, I checked on the internet and I couldn't find information about this. What about you? Can you use it? And also, what about the situation of the Canvas tool? Can you use it with O3, the O3 Mini, O3 High? Let me know in the comment. By the way, let's go back to the video. This was about ChatGPT 4.5. Also, another information that I want to share with you is that Grok 3, which I announced in previous videos, which was not available in Europe, even though it's not still available on the Grok AI chat, you can use it now on X. So if you go through x.com and click to Grok, you can now use the Grok 3 version, which has the deep research, the think mode, and is the direct competitor together with Claude 3.7 to ChatGPT 4.5. I want just to make a very small comparison of the two models, create with the O1 model, with the Canva, to do up and see how both the application they react to it, just to make a quick comparison so you can find for you, decide for yourself which one is better. Let's go to, actually let's use the 4.5, which can be used with the Canva, which is actually I'm very impressed about. It was not something not possible before today with the other models. Let's just write the prompt where we say to create a to-do app with the best graphic design and feature possible. Very simple prompt. Let's see what comes with this. I'll copy the same prompt to Grok and use the think mode. And let's see what they both come out with. So we can see that the response seems quite fast. I'm using the thinking mode, so obviously it's gonna be a bit slower, but I can see that it's thinking very fast. Also, Grok is asking to connect to the network, and I accept. We already have the app here, which is possible to preview. Interesting. Let's set other one. Task 2 looks pretty good to me. It's possible to delete. A simple to-do app is actually released to the expectation. And Grok 3, it gave me the core features, graphic design. It had a different approach to, it didn't give me the code. Probably we can ask for it. Give me the app review and code. ChatGPT 4.5, it seemed to me more immediate. I just give a prompt, but so far it's giving me already the answer I wanted. While Grok, it gave me good response in terms of the release, the requirement of the app, but didn't give me the code right away. It seems like it doesn't have the Canva feature yet, so probably I would have to run the code on an IDE, which I will not do for question of time. But the goal of this is just to have a taste of models. It's taking some time to do it. Here we go. Okay, we have the code snippet. Let's see. We can't preview the code. Yes, as I forecasted, I have to code in IDE and preview it, which for time constraints I will not do it now. Okay, in synthesis, Grok 3 seems very good. I don't know, I cannot test this, but I see online that the app also works in Grok. But ChatGPT was quite immediate in giving me the result I thought I wanted as an outcome, which is so far seems like better. But the Grok 3 still is on working. They're trying to improve it on the go while it is already out. Want me to run more prompts for both Grok 3 and ChatGPT 4.5? Let me know in the comment. If you like this video, very simple video, to subscribe the channel. Write in the comment which video would like me to do, where would you like me to go in detail. And for today, that's it. I hope you liked. Please share and support the channel. Subscribe to it to see more video, and see you in the next video.